How to make your TikTok video go viral after posting. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. You can edit and view your profile information from here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, go over to Privacy. Here, go to Suggest your account to others. Now enable Contacts and Facebook Friends. This will suggest your account to your contacts and your Facebook friends. Then, enable people who can open or send links to you. This will suggest your account to people who have sent links to you or opened links that you sent to them. Following these steps, you can easily make your TikTok video go viral after posting.